What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button. Do appreciate every follower that I do get. If you'd like to watch any of my other videos, I have a playlist of the mini build, and I have a little playlist of the EG6 build as well. So click on them and check it out if you want to. It's a good watch. Yeah, so today I'm down here to work on the Metro 4-pot turbo calipers. I'm going to be rebuilding them. So I've sprayed them in the last video. If you want to watch that as well, I'll stick it here. And yeah, I'm going to take them apart again, show you what they look like, and put new seals in them and get them all back together, and we should be good to put them on the car. Yeah guys, before I start with the calipers, check out all the new bits and pieces that I got. I got new discs and all the new bits and pieces. Have a look. That is all my bleed nipples. And just open it up here and have a look. That's for holding in the pads and the pins. Happy days. It goes there. We have new bleed nipples and copper washers. I don't know why, but more of them. Good to have spares. Also, no point in putting nice shiny new calipers on the car if we can get new discs. So they're just 8.4 standard size mini disc for 4-pots, and they are vented, not like the CADs I have on the car. The CADs I have on the car, as you know from previous videos, they are solid disc, and they're not great. I don't like them. And the last time I had vented discs on the car, they worked perfect. So yeah, new discs for the car, rebuilt calipers, new master cylinder, and all new lines. So yeah, should hopefully break good. So right, I'm going to crack on with these calipers and start getting them rebuilt. So first off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the calipers apart, so I can do the seals in them first. I'm going to wrap them in bubble wrap that I have right here, handy to have. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with that. So I'm going to stick it on a time lapse and take a few minutes. Now, inside of the calipers, there's a dust shield on each piston, and then there is a seal on the inside. Get them done and then slide the pistons in. So I'm going to do just one and show you how it's done, and then I'll time lapse the rest, because I'm just going to do one caliper at a time, get it done, and then I'll show you the end result. Now I'm going to work on the main seal that goes down on the bottom part. It's very fiddly, so what you want to do is just get that bit in first, then just try and get it in all the way around, like so. That's it, that's one in. Now I'm going to go for the rear one, or the bottom one, whatever, the next one, which is this one here. You just push one side in, and get the other end in, and then push it all the way around. They're pretty handy to put in once you know how to put them in, but you do struggle with them a bit sometimes. So that's the bolt of the main seals in. Then you have these smaller ones that go on top. These are a bit harder to get in. As you can see, they're a pig to get in. It'll take me a while, so I'll just time lapse the getting these in, because it's just taking a bit too long. top tip, guys, I just realised these metal things came with the kit, and I didn't know what they were for a second, and then I realised these are the old rings that sat in here. So I just pried them off with a flathead, and now these just go straight back in there, like so. Handy. Now, took a bit of brute force, but that is the first set in. Really good, nice and tight, good seal. No leaking from them, happy days. So yeah, gonna crack on with the next one. Success. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bolt them together and replace the bleed nipples, and then slide the pads in and put the new collars on. Happy days. Old mini spares sent me the wrong caps for the Metro 4 pots. I specifically said Metro 4 pots, and they sent me these, which don't look anything like them. So I'm gonna try and make it work. If it doesn't work, I'll only be putting pads on one caliper, but I'm going to rebuild the other one now anyway. So yeah guys, another time lapse, so enjoy. Now before anyone gives out to me in the comments, this is just to hold it together. They won't be going on the car like this. I'm going to contact Mini Spares and say they sent me the wrong ones. I'll just pay for new ones anyway, because I cut one of these up just to get the pads in to hold them in, because they won't be going on the car like this. I just wanted them complete so I didn't lose any bits and pieces. So yeah, that's the 2 calipers built up, and here's one of them with the disc. Yeah, it looks pretty decent. I do like it. I'm going to swap them pins around the next time I do them. Take them out and put them back in that way so you don't see the... I just didn't realise what side I was doing, so they're going to go in the other way so you don't see them. But yeah, they look tidy, very tidy. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the joy flange from the other discs and bolt them up. So, productive few hours, done. I'm going to take these off in the next day or two, and I'm going to wire wheel them and paint them. I might do them just black, or I might do them silver. They might come up a nice silver when I clean them down. So yeah, that is the calipers and the new discs, and a few little bits and pieces to do with them. Unfortunately, that was wrong. But I will get a new one and I will replace it and swap these around. But new bleed nipples, painted still looks good after handling all. I'll give it a wipe down once they are on the car. And that's it for the brake calipers. So there's no point in putting the brake lines on the calipers yet, because they need to go in the car first, because they get twisted and distorted. So that's going to get done when the brakes are being put on the car, which will be next week, I'm guessing, because parts, or maybe I can try and find a local motor factors to see if they can get them, see if they have them in stock. I highly doubt it, but maybe I'll hit Facebook up, see if anyone has one that's close to me that will do. So guys, yeah, that's it for the video. I'm gonna cut it short here and head on home. The weather's beautiful. I'm not gonna waste my day stuck in the garage all day. Yeah guys, hit me up on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, I have Snapchat, and I put up a new website there. It's urbanbackstreet.com. If you want to check it out, I have a little bit of merch on it. It helps the channel keep it going. It's not cheap, all these parts, but I have been paying for them myself for years. So yeah, it's just a bit of help, keep it going, get the build done, and hopefully enjoy it. So yeah guys, if you're new to the channel, check out the links that I have here on the end page. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share with your friends. I do appreciate it. So see you soon guys. Peace out.